Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to receive money on Remitly. First you have to log into your Remitly account, then click on your account settings and go to settings, and from here you will find recipients. Simply click on it and add that person to your recipient who will send you money through Remitly. Now, first you have to ask your client or that person who are sending your money their first name and last name according to their Remitly account. Then you can add their mobile number, it's not mandatory. You can also add their email address for information, not mandatory. Also you can add their address from here, and then you have to save it, and you can see a recipient will saved to your account from here after entering all the details. Then that person may need to add you as a recipient and they have to send you money like this. You just need to tell that person that you have that person have to enter the amount, and set your country as a receiving country, and you have to tell them the delivery method that you are comfortable with, and make sure that you give them the bank or any mobile e-wallet account credentials or the name to send money to through the Remitly to your account. That's how you can receive the money through Remitly. You can store money in Remitly, but you can actually get money from Remitly to directly your account after exchanging the money with the best rate available right now. That's how you can receive money from Remitly. So you must need to tell that person to must set the country. For example, my country is Brazil. So I'm going to tell that person that set to Brazil in the sending country. You have to set this country, and after setting this country to Brazil, you can see the status has changed here, and then you just need to give that person your all details, your some personal details and the payment method details that you want to get paid by, and then the person will go through this type of process, the send money process, and they will send money through Remitly to your account, and Remitly will exchange the currency into your currency with their best rate. That's how you can receive money on Remitly. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.